Hey, all people out there. This is about Bollywood. Not just you, not just me. This is an eye opener video on Bollywood for the first time on Say It Loud. First of all, this is about few of people I'll be mentioning on the video. First I'll start with Sushant Singh Rajput. May his soul rest in peace. Well, I don't know what the reason of his suicide was. I don't want to speak about anything. I just want to give you a small example, not just about Sushant, not just about anyone, but yes, why and how this thing happened, and why and how did he committed suicide, because of whom. So I would like to share a few things. Don't relate it to his life, or not just about him, but all, male or female, no matter who it is, whom you are dating, whom you want to marry, whom you are with, whom you are in relation with. That is the thing. See, if the other person is a gold digger who is just behind money, who doesn't respect you for what you are, you should not be in that relationship. You should not be a slave of that relationship. You should be free from that relationship and search something which really matters to you. So it's just because why I am saying it. Many of the Bollywood celebs are not the celebs. We make them celebs. They are just ordinary people. Why don't they date and marry someone who's really simple for them, for the one who cares for them, the one who respects them for what they are, not just the one who's like just using you for money and making you slave, not respecting you well enough, not caring about you, not appreciating for you for what you are, and you're just giving and giving and giving in a relationship that doesn't works out. One more celeb, I do like him, but I won't name him. Of course, he ends up getting into wrong relationships, and then ends up getting hurted again and again. He should even think about that, what is right for him, what is wrong for him. So this is about not just about Bollywood celebs, but about the relationship goals you have, the compatibilities, and how much understanding you can create with the partner whom you are with, so that no one else turn up to be Sushant Singh Rajput once again. Now it's not just about the relationship. We'll proceed more. We people, as normal ordinary people, we think that they are celebs, they are very rich, they are popular, they get fame. We are wrong. Everyone has that hidden celeb inside them if they have talent to do something or the other. If you are helping someone out, if you are caring about someone, if you are well settled, if you have your own house, own car, you are doing well in life, you are a celeb. You have that potential to do something, be something, you are a celeb. How much you do think about what they are, what life they attain, and what life they are made of. They are not blessed with from childhood to be the one. They did it, achieved it from the earth till the position they are at. So they are obviously ordinary people. So don't just be a crazy fool fan follower. Respect them, love them. As in this eye opener, once again I'll say one more thing. Amitabh Bachchan was COVID positive, his family was COVID positive. He didn't achieve any kind of award. He suffered and recovered from an illness which is going on in entire world. But media, Indian media, made him with his details so much of hype, which was wrong on his part. Even he was feeling bad. Why he ruined his name on media because of being COVID positive. So please, please, please stop doing all these things. If you want to tell about people, about celebs, just be limited. Don't elaborate their details like anything. Don't just give their name as so much in details that the person doesn't feel comfortable about his name on being so much in the hike on something which was not necessary. I do respect you and love you, Mr. Bachchan, but of course, I had to share this. It was in my mind and I really wanted to share. Not just for you, but for everyone. Media should think about what they are speaking, what should be in the words, what should be captured in well enough to say, for the people. And not just about all these things. It's about Delhi, it's about Mumbai, it's about COVID, it's about anything. Give the limited and better appropriate details rather than just giving something which is lame, which is not necessary, because of this Indian media is in memes, which is not good. So even I'll say one more thing. The news channels which we see outside, the international channels, they are much well better than the Indian news channels, because they give so lame details which is not necessary, which is not required. Give the details which is important. Bollywood, no matter it's Bollywood, it's Hollywood, media or anything, just make sure that if you are giving kind of details, you should be very limited and on the point to point words. Second thing, if you are dating someone, if you are in a relationship with someone, you should date someone who really respects you for whom you are. The most important thing, stop dating gold diggers. Stop being used. Stop doing something which is not necessary for you in your life, and still you are carrying on as a burden on your head and you're doing it. So please, 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 just make sure that this eye opener works for you. If you share it, if you spread it, I'll be very glad. If you don't, it's okay. If you want me to speak on anything else, you can write on the comment box, share this channel. And to be honest, one more thing I would really love to say. It's about me. This is my other channel, and my one more channel, Sayasta Grover. This has some of the million viewers, and I really respect people who really love me and care about. No matter if I turn up to be followed by millions of people, they love to listen me. They want me to speak about and speak something blindly and straightforward. I'll do it. I'm made from earth. I'll be making it sure that I won't change. I am something who's seen the life from where we had nothing, and I have seen the life where I was having the potential to make it something. So I won't ever change it. And I want you people to be the same. Where you understand the value of being something in life, you will actually do whatever best possible things you can do to achieve your real targets in life. To be something, to be a self celeb, to respect your own hostel life, to respect your own things, you have own self dignity and hold a strong bond that yes, I can achieve it, I was made to do it, I have done it. So be like that. Make sure that you don't lose any kind of hopes, and become something which your parents make feel proud of, that yes, our daughter, our son has done this. So you are a celeb inside. Wake that celeb outside. Share the channel. Don't forget to subscribe. Sayasta Grover taking you off. Take care.